Oh my God, is this a McLaren? Hey. Nice car, bro.
Thank you.
Do you drive very often?
Yeah, every day.
Nice. This is your daily driver? Nice.
When I'm going to the park.
You like going fast?
Kinda.
Nice.
A little bit. Not too fast. I like to keep it under 55.
Under 55? That's healthy. Oh, all right. Cave GTZ, holy shit. Yeah, come on, come on. Full throttle. He's gonna go around. Yeah, yes. Right. Gravel, nice and easy. Oh shit, that was cool. What? I know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being dope. Thanks for sticking through to the end of the video. You guys are the troopers. Make sure you subscribe to GTZ or Gabe GTZ Vlogs on YouTube. He's the man. He's going to be kicking it with me quite a bit while I'm out here. And we're going to be doing some upgrades to his MClaren, baby! So I'm going to be doing a little hands-on MClaren work. Should be interesting. Hope you guys are excited for that. First, with the exhaust install. But anyway, keep it G, keep it real. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support.